There are three major aspects of aging: inefficient DNA repair, mitochondrial dysfunction, and beta-amyloid accumulation. Firstly, there are changes in DNA repair. Our cells are constantly renewing, and successful DNA replication is a crucial part of this process. Our body has developed its own mechanisms to protect and repair our DNA when replication fails, a problem which becomes more common with age. The PARP family are a group of proteins which work to repair damaged DNA. However, they become less efficient over time. Secondly, our mitochondria become dysfunctional with age. Mitochondria are responsible for producing energy in the form of ATP. Over time, they lose their ability to efficiently produce ATP, leaving the body feeling more tired. This is caused by several changes within the mitochondria. As we age, mitochondria produce more toxic products called reactive oxygen species, which accumulate and contribute to mitochondrial dysfunction. The outer layer of mitochondria becomes weak, and the contents begin to leak out, leading to further impairment and stress. The older we get, the less mitochondria we have left, and this further depletes our energy levels and muscle mass. Dysfunctional mitochondria are more likely found in senescent cells. The body tries to clear these cells via a method called apoptosis. However, this also becomes less efficient with age, resulting in a buildup of cell debris. Lastly, as we age, our ability to think, memorize, and articulate slows down. This is due to dysfunctional proteins being deposited in the brain. Levels of beta-amyloid protein build up as we grow older, leading to impaired cognitive ability. A high level of beta-amyloid accumulation is associated with Alzheimer's disease, occurring when there is a lack of beta-amyloid breakdown and therefore the formation of plaques. Integrating cutting-edge aging intervention technologies from Ceragon, Harvard University, Mayo Clinic, and Scripps Research, SRN901N Restorin is the world's most advanced oral form aging suppressant that targets each of these processes, resulting in an extended health span, higher energy levels, and improved brain function. The capsule passes through the stomach intact and slowly releases its contents upon entering the gut when different coatings break down. The components of Restorin are released and absorbed into the bloodstream from the small intestine. First, the NAD complex works to repair DNA damage and enhance energy metabolism. Upon entering the cells, the NAD complex interacts with DBC1 protein inside the nucleus. This interaction initiates the release of PARP1, belonging to the PARP family of DNA repair proteins, to restore DNA integrity. Second, the SSA complex contains senolytic agents, which target the senescent cells within the body. It triggers apoptosis, following which macrophage cells clear the debris to make space for new, healthy cells. This improves the overall health of tissues and organs. Finally, Restorin's VBBH complex works to suppress the accumulation of beta-amyloid proteins in the brain. The VBBH complex drives the reduction of homocysteine levels in the brain, whereby lower the beta-amyloid burden and significantly slow down brain atrophy.